Meet Chris Winblad, shop owner
Thank you for calling Ludlow.
and mechanic extraordinaire.
Here it comes. It's a boy.
With help from his team and shop cat Frank, they're souping up the bottom line and cashing in on classic cars. Here on Fast Forward Garage.
You guys are going to back in, come right into the bay. We'll put you in that bay, get you guys out and started on those. First thing, if we're getting too close down, unhook. I'm going to bring the scissor lift up in a minute for you guys to use, then we'll back you up. You're good.
Cam Hydraulics is here today to put in the lifts. They were supposed to be here a couple weeks ago, but over the Memorial Day weekend, that Monday, we had about 14 tornadoes roll through here. Just missed us by a couple hundred yards, so we feel fortunate about it. So we're excited to get these lifts in and get the guys working again.
How long do you think it'll take you on to get those two down?
We'll see how froggy the boys are feeling this morning. I'll be surprised if we're not down with both of them in about an hour and 15 minutes.
You know, they got here early, got to work right away, so everything seems to be going great.
Is this reservoir plug missing, Kevin?
Yeah, there wasn't one on it. I think it shot it off of there. Like,
It's up in the rafters
It's
or
somewhere.
something, you know. I think we might want to drop this one first. Make package right here. Then we can drop this one and get the crane over. It'll be easier to do this one first than that one.
Hey, thanks, Chris.
there's a lot of activity.
When you're doing lift removal and installation, it can kind of be, you don't want to throw the shop in turmoil that day.
So while the lifts are going up today, we have Dan working in our back shop on a Volkswagen.
Someone else put this transmission in and they didn't replace the slave cylinder or the hydraulics.
And we have Jimbo working on the front lift on a Jeep, checking some brakes and doing some replacement on that.
And I doubt seriously if this rear drum has ever been off of it.
How's everything going so far, though?
Everything's going great. So far, we got all the old lifts out, packaged up. We've got our floor swept, clean area. Get ready to build the new ones.
Didn't take them long to tear out the original two lifts. I mean, they're very professional about it. I mean, how they boxed them all up and pushed them off to the side so I can do what I need to with the old ones.
Any obstacles yet?
Obstacles? Nothing we haven't been able to overcome.
What do you think?
What do I think? I try not to. It gives me a headache. But seriously, I think it's a great day. Got a lot going on here at the shop, having a good time, loving seeing these new lifts go in.
There are two ways to do this. We could actually stand these columns with the crane, because theoretically, the truck's set up so one person can go out and put a lift in. Not great on your body, but you can do it. With a couple guys, you can stand them up, but the crane can do the job for us. So we'll probably handstand one on this side, because we have to reposition, and crane stand the other side. Should work.
They brought two really nice service trucks. They had a scissor lift, and each truck has a boom on it. And then, to me, it looked super, like, almost like everything flowed. They've done this for a while for sure, because they just boom, boom, boom. They're on top of it.
So over here at Ludlow's, we're about to stand our second lift. We used our crane to stand the first one, but we've got a lot of bodies here today, so we'd stand them this way. What we've done here, this is what we call a pre-build. After we unpackage them, we hook all the hydraulics, hook the cables up. This gets everything ready to go before we stand it up, so we don't have to do it all up in the air. You guys ready? All right, pop that one up. And there we go.
So far, it's been great. We've been able to balance it where the install's going on one side of the shop, and we have enough work that we can keep everybody busy on the other side.
I remember getting my ass beat a little bit more drilling the holes the first time. My hammer drill wasn't nearly as big as that one.
He's finishing the air and he's getting some electrical in here in the morning, and then everything will be good to go. We'll do testing and go over operations. So we'll do a little more tonight, then polish it up in the morning, man.
Cool.
Great.
Thanks. Thank you. Yep. And Now they almost looks like they have them all set up in their spot. And they're not 100% finished by any means, but they're set up and ready to go. I'm getting excited.
Next on Fast Forward Garage, installation is done.
Well, I hope you like them, man.
I love it. Can't wait to get to work.
And the gang couldn't be happier.
Pristine.
Make sure you see how it all turned out.
It's toys for the shop is what makes us tick. So I'm very excited.